Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss section B of the 2025 Specimen Paper, Program Question 3. The given question defines a class with the following specifications. Class name, bank. Member variables. P stores the principal amount. N stores the time period in years. R stores the rate of interest. S stores the maturity amount. Member methods. Void accept accepts input values for P and N using scanner. Void calculate calculates the amount based on the given conditions. Void display displays the details in the given format. Let's begin the program. We start with the import statement. Import java.util.scanner. The import keyword is used to import a package. This statement imports the scanner class from the java.util package. Now, let's move on to the class definition. The class name is bank, so we define it as public class bank. Declaration of data members. Private P stores the principal amount. Private N stores the time period in years. Private R stores the rate of interest. Private S stores the maturity amount. By default, data members are private, so specifying private is optional. Accept method. The method void accept is used to accept the principal amount and time period. Here, we use the scanner class to take input values for P and N. Calculate method. This method calculates the interest rate based on the time period. Void calculate. If n less than equal to 0.5, r is equal to 9, else if n less than equal to 1, r is equal to 10, else if n less than equal to 3, r is equal to 11, else r is equal to 12. Calculate the amount using compound interest formula. The formula used is A is equal to P times 1 plus R/100 n. Display method. This method displays the calculated output in a formatted manner. Void display. System.out.println \t principal \t time period \t rate \t amount. System.out.println \t plus p plus \t plus n plus \t plus r plus \t plus s. Here, \t tab space is used to format the output neatly with 8 spaces. Object creation and function calls. To execute the program, we need to create an object and call the methods. Public static void main, string, args. Bank B is equal to new bank. Object creation. B.accept or accepts input. B.calculate or performs calculation. B.display displays the output. B.accept calls the accept method to take input. B.calculate calls the calculate method to compute the amount. B.display calls the display method to print the result. Output. If the principal amount is 1200 and the time period is 2, the output will be displayed like this. Each value is properly spaced using tabs, \t, for better readability.